In this video, we are going to talk about the quadratic equations. Now, before we proceed to find out what are quadratic equations, let's understand what do we mean by the word quadratic. So, quadratic means nothing but where the degree of the variable is 2. Like for example, if you have an equation, say for example 3x square plus 4x plus 5, you see the degree of the polynomial is 2. Now let's understand what is this degree. Degree is actually nothing but the highest power of the variable. Highest power of variable. Now if you check the equation, what is the highest power? Highest power of the variable is 2. So the degree of this equation is 2. So this equation becomes the quadratic equation. So let me consider one more equation. Say for example, if I have x square plus 3x plus 6. This is a quadratic equation. We can't call it an quadratic equation. Why? Because this is a quadratic polynomial. Now, if I put this polynomial equal to 0, this becomes an equation. So, we call it as a quadratic equation. Or let's take more examples. Say for example, we have x square equal to 5. Again, this is a quadratic equation. So, if I have x square plus 9 equal to 0, again this is a quadratic equation. So, all you need to do is to check whether the degree of the variable is 2. Now let's check this equation. X minus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Now tell me, is it the quadratic equation? Let's check. Let's open this up. This becomes x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to x square plus 5x plus 6. Now x square and x square will move. So you will get 4 minus 6 equal to 5x plus 4x. So you'll get minus 2 equal to 9x. So can we say that it's a quadratic equation? No. Why? Because the degree of the variable is not 2. So when you looked at the equation first, it looked like a quadratic equation, right? But when you solved it, you found that the degree was not 2. Fine. So key is to simplify the equations first and then check whether it is a quadratic or not. The next step is, what is the general form of the quadratic equation? The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is called the general form of the quadratic equation, where a, b and c are real numbers. These are real numbers. But along with that, one more condition which is very important for this equation to be a quadratic one is that a should never be equal to 0. Because if a is 0, then 0 into x square becomes 0. Then this equation no longer will be a quadratic equation. Thank you.